Okay, how we doing out there, everybody? Today's Sunday morning. This is one of my many projects I've got going today. This is about a 10-year-old Harbor Freight bandsaw, and I'll show you what it does. Oh, somebody's showing up here. Here's what it does. Making that noise. It's a start-run capacitor. This, my guess, is bad. I got one over here on the bench I got from eBay. In a little while, I'm going to try to get this installed. That's a perfect match for the one that was in there. Alright, I'll be back in a little while. Okay, here's the two capacitors side by side. This is the one that was in the machine. And I noticed it's smashed on the end, and so was the metal cap. That probably happened during the move from Florida. Here's the Chinese replacement I got off of eBay. They're both 40 microfarad, ultrafarad. I don't really know how to pronounce that, how to say it. But they're the same specs, so I'm going to go install this one. Plug the bandsaw in and see what happens. I'll be back. Okay, I got the new capacitor hooked up. It's just hanging for the test. I gotta lift this up. So that's the automatic shut-off. That's the specs on the motor. It claims to be a 1 horse, but I doubt it. The switch is over here, so when this gets done cutting, this finger comes down, pushes that switch off. So I got it plugged in. Here it goes. Oh, baby. How about that? Fantastic. There you go, $14 fix. That's what that capacitor cost. And I had to beat this cover up. This obviously got smashed during the move. You can see the damage here, which I never realized because I haven't used this since I've been here. And I went to use it a few months ago, and you heard the noise it made. So if you got an electric motor and it's making that buzzing sound and nothing's happening, it's probably your run start capacitor is bad. Some motors have a start capacitor and a run capacitor. This is like a dual unit. It says run capacitor, run it. So that's it, the Harbor Freight horizontal vertical metal cutting bandsaw. This has got to be at least 10 years, 12 years old. Easy. Alright, I'm going to put the cap back on it. And that's fixed. That whole thing probably took under 15 minutes. I think the hardest part was finding the capacitor. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. Hope it helped somebody. One less thing to do today. That's done. I'm gone.